guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a relaxing clean with me. First we have to start out with our iced coffee though to get us some energy to tackle this house. So first thing we're tackling is all of the bed sheets. I went on ahead and stripped me and my husband's bed as well as the boys. My daughter is older, so she basically does her own thing with her room. She has her own schedule, so I don't worry about her room too much. Fun fact though, this particular day, I was feeling so dizzy and so lightheaded, and I could not for the life of me figure out why, and turns out I ended up being positive for COVID. So you will see I have outfit changes because once I got tested, I was like, I'm not cleaning anymore because I do not feel well. So normally on cleaning days, I like to go ahead and open up the house. I'll at least open up one window in every room just to get some airflow in. So I will be installing a closet system in the boys' room. This little cube storage thing, I will be kind of revamping it and adding some legs on it and turn it into a little furniture piece downstairs. So stay tuned for those two videos. And y'all, I don't even know what was going on in this bathroom. I think I was doing a photo shoot or something because the bathroom countertop is never like this cluttered. I don't even know, y'all. So once a month I go through in the laundry room and just wipe off my washer and dryers because as you can see it accumulates a lot of dust throughout the month. So yes, I definitely have to go in, I spray and just go over everything, the doors. Once the load of laundry is finished, I'll go in and clean the inside as well. Look at how clean, look at how shiny. Of course it doesn't stay like this, but you know. So Amazon had a deal on a shower head, so of course I went and picked it up. This shower head here, it also comes with a handheld sprayer, as you can see here. It was originally like $50 or $60. It was on sale for like $20 something, so I bought it and I'm so happy with it. Of course we have some clashes with the silver and the black, but you know it's worth it because this shower head is amazing. The water pressure, and then of course you have the handheld one, which is easier for, you know, on the hair wash days, or if I'm cleaning out the shower, which is a plus. And here I just want to show you guys these bowls I just bought. They are so freaking cute. Like, look at them. I got them from Target. They were 50 cents a piece. 50 cents. Because we normally have IKEA bowls and plates and things, and my boys and my husband, They have dropped and shattered so many of them. So I saw these bowls in Target and I was like, I have to get them. So you guys, if you have young kids, I definitely suggest going to Target. They have bowls, plates, and cups, all 50 cents a piece. Absolutely love having fresh flowers in the house. Every week or every 2 weeks when I grocery shop, I'll just pick up some flowers now. Here I picked up these flowers based solely on the color because I wanted more of a fall feel. So I have some orange and some red and some, white baby's breath going on there. So that's what you see me doing. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more.